Today we're heading to the Palenque ruins, an ancient Maya city nestled in the heart of the Chiapas jungle in Mexico. After a scenic drive from the city of Palenque, we arrive to the archaeological site, grab our tickets, and prepare to step back in time. A short hike through dense vegetation leads us to the ruins, with the sounds of the jungle accompanying our steps. The first structures we encounter are part of Group 1 and 2. These buildings were possibly residences or administrative buildings. While difficult to determine the specific uses of these structures, they nonetheless offer a glimpse into the early architectural styles of the Maya. Continuing on, we make our way up these ancient steps and begin to approach the heart of Palenque. The North Group likely housed some of the city's elite, including officials, priests, and their families. Adjacent to the North Group is the Grand Palace. With its expansive courtyards and intricate carvings, it served as the political and ceremonial center of the city. Next, the Temple of the Inscriptions, the final resting place of King Pakal the Great. It's adorned with hieroglyphs that chronicle Palenque's history. Across is the iconic Palace Tower, a unique architectural feature offering panoramic views of the city. Next door to the Temple of the Inscriptions is the Temple of the Red Queen. This was likely the resting place of King Pakal's wife. The remains discovered here were covered in red cinnabar powder, which helps to preserve the body while symbolizing life, death, and royalty. The tomb also contained rich offerings of jade, shell, and obsidian, reflecting immense status. Nearby, another temple adds to the grandeur of this sacred area. The Temple of the Crosses complex, with its towering pyramids, provides insight into the Maya spiritual beliefs. Climbing the tallest temple reveals incredible views of the ancient city and its surrounding area. As well as intricate inscriptions inside of the structure. This ancient city, with its majestic ruins and beautiful lush surroundings, offers a profound connection to the past. A truly incredible place.